But once you start chiropractic care, you have to go the rest of your life. Hi, I'm Dr. Dan Lyons with Precision Chiropractic in Green Bay, Wisconsin, and yes, I've heard that one too. And I'm here to tell you emphatically that that's false. No one has ever forced someone to stay under care. People quit care all the time. In fact, if every single person that ever saw a chiropractor was still under care, every chiropractor in the world would have to work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we'd still be grossly behind. So the misunderstanding is that chiropractors generally try to educate the public, you the patient, on what's going on with the body, and most people don't really understand the importance of your spine in the overall scheme of your health and your life. You see, we live our whole lives through our brain and our nervous systems. Everything you think, see, remember, imagine, do is mediated by your brain through your spinal cord and your nervous system. Your spinal cord just happens to run through your spine, and so if you have a problem in your spine, well, now you got a problem in your life. And sometimes it's a little one, just a little ache that goes away quickly. Sometimes it's a big thing. And it's just been that fault in the chiropractic profession for getting you to understand that. But there's plenty of precedents. We brush our teeth every day. You should, at least. I know I brush my teeth every day. I floss several times a day. And I see a dentist twice a year. Used to be once a year that you would see a dentist when I was young. But we cut our hair regularly, we cut our fingernails regularly, we shower every day, we go to see have a checkup once or twice a year. They have the baby well checks. There's so many precedents in these things. And that is what we have failed to communicate. And when you go to see a medical doctor or a dentist, you're not seeing them multiple times in a week, which oftentimes you do with a chiropractor for several reasons. First, usually when you show up, the problem's been there for a while and it needs more work. And we can't do all that work at once, like say a surgeon would, or a dentist can go in and, well, even if you go to the dentist, they go in and do the checkup, they find a cavity, then you have to go back and they have to do it again. But ideally, the chiropractor, you see them soon enough and they are able to restore your spine to a near normal, very functional state, and then you need minimal care. There have been studies that suggest that if you go more than, 12 days, if you have a problem in your spine within 12 days, or 17 days, you will start to have permanent damage. That doesn't happen all the time. Many people will come in once a month just to make sure that they are staying healthy and enjoy a great quality of life. Because remember, everything that you do, everything you think, everything you remember, everything you imagine, dream, and do is all mediated by your brain and your nervous system. So if you have a problem in your spine, you have a problem in your life, and that's what we're trying to help you alleviate. If you have any other questions, send them in to info@precisionchirogb.com. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Bye-bye.